Today we're gonna be doing African dancing. We're gonna be doing African tribal dancing. Come on everybody, gather around in thy circle. We are going to be doing this African dancing. Everybody gather. There we go, these are good sounds.
And I'm your host. I'm going to take you through an experience of African culture as we go through the steps of Ubuntu humanity. But first, please enjoy the series of dance.
Enjoy the dancing because we're going straight to Swati dancing. It's gonna be crazy African culture. Everybody enjoy this dancing. It's crazy. This video is like 2013. I only got 180k view. Wow, this is some good dancing. Some good historical cultural dancing video. Wow, this is some good historical cultural dancing video, yo. Well, if this video met you cray, leave a comment below.